This is ALTEC lansing IMT7002 BLK STK1. The customer said the device turns on, but there is no sound. So I connect my speaker to this and make this plug. So we have the blue light. It means the power supply, it works. So I turn on the switch. The device turns on. See, it's Bluetooth. And here is the FM. Okay, so we scan for the channel, but there is no sound. Yeah, the volume, it works. You can see the number is go up and down, but there is no sound at all. Because we have no sound, we are gonna go directly to the amplifier IC and we check it, the IC over there. That's the IC we have. These two pins for the power. You can see power VCCL and power VCCR. Then we have two outputs. This is output L and this is output R. Here we have the input L and we have the input R, these two pins. Yep, that's how the IC is set up. That's the IC part number. So we have two speakers. This is a stereo amplifier IC. And the power is between 4.5 to 26 volts. In our case, we don't have two speakers. We have just one speaker output. And, let's go to the microscope and see how the IC is set up. Yeah, that's the IC. These two pins here for the power. This is one speaker and this is the second speaker. But in this case, we have one mono. We have one speaker, is mean the IC is going to work as a mono. And you can see they connect one speaker. The both sides of the speaker connect to each other. Then to get one output. And we have these two coils for the output. Then we have the speaker plug. So we are going to check the connection from this pin all the way to here, or just to this side of the capacitor. Then from here all the way to this side of the capacitor. To be sure we have the coils is not like open, or we have broken traces inside it. Alright, that's the multimeter. And so let's go from here. So that's the red, it's go to here. This side. Okay, that's the other side of the speaker. And from here, this is 0.006 to here is a 0.00. So this pin have a good one connection inside the coil to here, and this pin as well 0.000. So it means that pin, it has a good connection to here. So the connection here is good. We have no problem. But this will be the IC is bad. Let's see. Yeah, the IC power line, there is no short in it. So the other side, no short. We have two input here. I think should be one input here and the other inputs. So let's see how much voltage we can put the probe in any ground as this capacitor. You can see that's positive, should be this is the ground. and we go to these pins here. So we have 21 volt, and we have 21 volt. So there is a power coming to the IC, and we have no output sound. The next, we need to see if we have the input signal. So to check the input signal, you can use the pen tracer, or you can use just a computer speaker. That's what I use here. So just like that's a computer speaker, and that's gonna be the ground. I'll just connect this alligator. So I connect the other side to any metal. So we have this USB over here. I'm just gonna put it here. So that's gonna be our ground. And the multimeter probe, we're just gonna connect it to that side. I turn the computer speaker all the way up, and here if I touch the probe, we can hear the static. So it's a good, very sensitive. I put the device in the FM radio, and I'm going to check. I think one of these ones are the inputs. Okay, so from the dot, we have we skip 2 pins, and we have the input in the next 2 pins. Oops. Okay, no sound over there. No sound over there. The other input is here. Yep, we have the sound. So let me lower the volume. Just say lower the volume here. And the sound, it should be from this. I can get it from this capacitor. Yeah, you can hear the static. Let me search for a clear channel. It works. So there is an input signal, but there is no output. So likely the problem here in the amplifier IC. Alright, I'm gonna remove this capacitor so to give us a space, and we don't want to burn that. So I do have, yep, I do have the IC here. And this is a original IC, it's not the fake one. I already test a couple of them and it works. So let's plug it in.
Welcome to ALTEC LANSING.
I hear the speaker. Yes. So it's fixed. This is all for the video. Thank you for watching and see you again.